Nice.
I think this phone, I'm getting one too.
Looks nice, right?
Yes.
Ooh, LG, what is it? L9. Okay, see if you can figure it out, Lisa, because I'm not.
Okay, so this is the camera.
Oh, Dad left you a little message there.
I can't hear it. He wants to give you a kiss. Are you freaking kidding me? You got me the dress?
Want to go see it?
Yes.
Come on. Wait, let me get that face. And then look at the face.
Let's go look at your princess dress.
So the phone is for you. It's an advance for your birthday, okay?
Princess 18. Princess 18.
Okay.
You are an adult now. Go look at your Princess Magical Cinderella dress.
Look at your dress.
Where is
It's in
it?
the car.
Go, Princess, go. Oh my God.
April Fool. No, just joking. Let me unlock the door for you.
I can't believe it. Princess.
Happy?
So beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I love it so much. Thank you.
Which do you like better, the phone or the dress?
She likes both of them. She loves all of them.
Are you surprised?
Oh my God, you have no idea.
Why do you always cry when you get
appreciative.
Okay. All right. So, take the bag off and show the dress in the camera
Show
here.
your beautiful princess dress. Princess. My hands are shaking.
Here, look. You untie it at the bottom and just pull it up.
She has her very own princess dress now.
And phone. Ooh. Don't forget that is part of your birthday, the phone, okay?
I won't forget.
It's a pretty dress.
It's beautiful. Oh, and this is one of those things that you wrap around yourself. Oh my gosh. I love it so much.
Nice.
I can't believe it.
You better believe it.
It's like a dream. What if it is and she wakes up? I'm just joking.